Welcome, welcome into this beautiful virtual space. Please find a comfortable, quiet space for you to listen and enjoy this. If you are a Reiki practitioner, you will enhance your experience by many folds when you connect with Reiki. So find your spot and connect with Reiki in the way you know how. If you don't know how to connect, just breathe and follow along. Now you are ready to find out what is in store for you in the new year. First, you look back and reflect upon this year and see if you missed anything. Was there something that escaped your awareness? Is there something you need to take with you into the new year? Is there something you must absolutely leave behind? And then, with all the learnings and insight, you will write your very own story for the new year. Are you with me? Are you excited? Are you ready? Only and only if you are ready, please close your eyes. You may like to place your hands on your lap, palms facing up, or on your heart. You may like to place one hand on your heart and the other on your tanden. Choose what feels right for you today. Take a deep breath in and out at your own pace. In your mind's eye, look above your head. Use your imagination and you see a beautiful glowing ball of light. What you see is your glowing ball of light. Continue to look at the ball of light in your mind's eye. You see and feel the ball slowly descending and coming closer and closer to you. Now, just above your head, the beautiful ball of light cracks open. It cracks open to shower you with the light it holds. All the power, the resilience, and the success this ball of light holds is now showered upon you. You can see in your mind's eye the flow coming down You can hear the light as it flows down, in and around you. You most certainly feel it in your body. The very subtle movements of Reiki. You are now surrounded by this light. Your whole being is filled with this light. So just breathe and be comforted by the feelings, sensations you see or hear from this glowing light that is Reiki. Because now you are enveloped by this beautiful energy. Because you are showered by this beautiful energy. Because you can bring yourself in your imagination to the most comforting, relaxing, and happy place you can be. It's okay. You don't have to know exactly what or where that is. Just be in that place in the way you are doing it right now. And breathe. Anytime you need to bring your hands down, please do. You are in control and your comfort is important. You are in the present moment, in this comfortable and relaxing virtual space that we share. I'd like you to look back now, reflect upon the past year. You can likely see this in a single line in one direction. In your mind's eye, look in the direction of your past. Now, you will float over the major events of the past year. You are far enough from these events that you don't see the details. You float over the major events just knowing that they are the major events from the past year. Continue to move into the past. Continue to float till you float back almost to the beginning of the year. You are far, far away from knowing the details, but just bring them into your awareness and continue to float. You continue to move. Almost at the beginning of the year, just before the major event of the year, you pause. Look now in the other direction. Look now at the present. You will now float back into the present only as quickly as you need to gain insight and learnings. Begin your journey back into the present moment. You will float over the major events and other related events in the past year only as quickly as you need to become aware and gain learnings. Only as quickly as you need to bring learnings from the past into the new year. Only as quickly as you need to bring learnings into your awareness. When you are in the present moment, now continue to look in the same direction, into the future. And in this present moment, with all the learnings and insight that has come into your awareness, you now have a clearer view of the future. You can now write your story with confidence. So let's do that now. You will write your story for the new year now. You can write your story into a journal, or you can tell your story to your loved one, or you can be in your story as it unfolds in your mind's eye. Whatever works for you today. Breathe in and out at your own pace. Just breathe in and out at your own pace. From this present moment, as you look into the new year, what do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Just anything that begins to unfold, like unwrapping a present. Unwrap the present to find the future. Whatever comes into your awareness, people, places, things. Words, pictures, feelings, perhaps you have one or two or maybe three or even more. That is you in this moment. With this awareness, your path is clear. For the new year, your path is clear. Deep down, you know exactly how you will proceed and succeed. May the power, resilience, and success of the light be with you. Breathe in and out. When you're ready, open your eyes. Welcome back. You are aware and you know. Have another wonderful and beautiful year ahead. I am grateful for your time today. Please let me know in the comments if you had any valuable insight through this. And if you enjoyed this, please subscribe to the channel and click the bell button so you know when the next video is coming up. I leave you with power, resilience, and success.